So this is how you can save a video as audio file on iPhone, and let's get started. If you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you will never miss anything important. First of all, the thing you need to do is to check out the description of this video where you'll find a link to a shortcut, which is a Siri shortcut. So you can add it like this. Make sure you add it to your device, right? Just set it up that way, and then you can go to your Siri shortcuts application and literally just tap on it to start it, right? So it's gonna go like this. It will open up your video panel from the videos in your gallery, so you can select any videos that you want like that. You'll have to basically allow access the folder, right? So you just continue like this, right? And you can allow it. And then the audio will be extracted from the selected video and it will appear in the files application, right? So you'll be able to go to your files app on my iPhone and you'll have the ability to find the MP3 file from the sound of the video. So it's really that simple. That's how you can do this through the shortcuts application, right? So if you really want to see like the code for it, you can check it out inside of the shortcut, but it's basically just accessing the video and turning it into the audio, which then gets saved inside of the files application. So that's how it works. Let me know what you think about that below in the comments. Most definitely subscribe for more straight to the point tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later.